am at the OMGKRK Hangout at Ace of Spaces building. It was a really cool and very inspiring evening. We got to talk and meet a lot of people.
And I feel like it's such an amazing opportunity to make new connections, meet new people and have fun. And also today's event were great and I loved the movie about Krakow.
So during the event we watched a premiere movie about OMGKRK and the entire startup ecosystem in Krakow, and this was the first time to kind of really put this idea, this kind of intangible idea of what the startup ecosystem is on the screen.
Every event of Hangout, I love networking, obviously, and I feel like it's a really great opportunity for meeting new people and make new connections.